We're making buffalo chicken stuffed bell peppers. Let's go. So we're just gonna get our chicken. I'm just using chicken thighs. I've got some left over from the other day. And I'm gonna go ahead and season them. So what I'm gonna do is just get off this chicken fat. There's a lot of fat. Yes, it does render if you cook the chicken, but it doesn't all render. So I'm just gonna cut off as much as I can. Whenever I'm cooking chicken, I usually do one wet hand, one dry hand. That way when I get to the seasoning, I can just season. Now, we are using buffalo chicken sauce, so I'm really just gonna do salt and pepper on these. There's really no need for anything else. That buffalo sauce has a lot of salt, it has a lot of flavor, and if I do coat these with anything else, any other seasonings, you're not really gonna taste it. You're gonna taste buffalo sauce. It would help if you turn your pan on. We're gonna coat it in oil, and then we're going to sear them and then take them out, and we'll start on our rice. Now that those are cooking, we're gonna get to our green peppers. I try to get ones that are kind of like boxed, so when I cut them in half, it's kind of an even layer. I should wash them. Cut the tops off, cut it straight down. Cutting the top off, and then I'm cutting it straight down the middle. And then I'm going to take that out. Okay. Cut up a half an onion. We're gonna take the chicken out. We're gonna let the chicken rest for a little bit before I chop it into diced pieces. So in the meantime, what we're gonna do is cook my onion. Actually, I'm gonna turn that down a little bit too. So we don't wanna make it too salty, but we are gonna add just a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper. And make sure you get it on the counter. We're getting all the chicken bits off of the bottom of the pan. That is flavor. Just remember, when you're cooking, you're layering flavor, so you really do want to season as you go. This is how we look. Now I'm going to cut up my chicken. And I'm just going to cut these chicken thighs into diced pieces. Chicken is back in. Now with the chicken, we're just going to crisp this back up a little bit. Got 2 cups of rice. I'm actually going to put about 3 cups of water in. With my water, I'm actually going to use chicken broth as 1.5 cups. And then I'm going to put in cream of mushroom. This is what I like to do. Now you can use sour cream, you can use cottage cheese for something even more healthy. This is I like to use this because it makes it the creaminess that I like. And then the other thing I'm going to do is add 1 can of black beans. This, I'm not going to drain the black beans. The liquid is, I need the liquid, so it's fine. But so right now I've got maybe 1.5 cups of water. So now I'm going to add maybe 2 more cups of water. But however you want to do this, you do it. This is how I do it. Now what I'm going to do is add just a little bit more garlic salt and a little bit more pepper, because I know that this red hot sauce is going to pack a lot of flavor. It's going to pack a punch. And yes, I just add the whole bottle. This is 12 fluid ounces. Now I know this looks like a blob of soup or stew or whatever, but trust me, it's going to be perfect. Now it's coming to a light boil right now, so I'm going to go ahead and cover this, and I'm going to turn this down to about medium low for about 30 minutes or so. And you can see how nice this is. Ooh, it looks so good. It smells amazing. So I'm going to put this on the other burner. We're going to let this cool, and then I'm going to put them in this peppers. This rice is cooked perfectly. I'm going to put half of this bag of mozzarella cheese in there. So now I'm just going to stuff these. Buffalo chicken stuffed bell pepper. Let's try. Don't burn your mouth, but it's really good. Cut, cut, cut.